Oven is one of the greatest inventions to help humans in preparing delicious foods. But baking is not as simple as it's said. Controlling precise temperature is huge trouble. It's hard to set the temperature accurately. Sometimes, the temperature might be different from what you set, and your food is going to be overcooked. It might be a romantic day preparing a fine steak for your wedding anniversary, but you will want to distance yourself from the oven as it might not only burn your steak, but you too. Ouch! After successfully launching our first ever Kitmens mixer, we aspire to bring more smart kitchen equipment to solve consumers' problems. Here we are with the next great idea, the perfect oven. But how? We study different oven brands and ask our customer, what is your main concern when selecting oven? And 82% of the answer goes to temperature accuracy. Again, we are in a mission to solve the big problem. We look for the finest professional and factory to work together and bring you the most innovative products. Now, we proudly present to you the Kitmens Smart Oven, a newly invented oven that brings your cooking experience to a whole new level. It is equipped with a smart PID control system and a fiberglass insulation layer to improve the temperature stability. The oven is built with the M-rod heating element and 2 reflective diamond sheets to ensure the heat is evenly distributed. The temperature is 99% accurate to what you have set, except for 1% when you are out of electricity. With our double-layered glass, you don't need to worry about getting hurt even when you get too close to the oven. The LED display and controller knob lets you read and set the desired temperature conveniently. We have even designed a multifunctional program that allows you to prepare different food choices with just one button away. Last but not least, this smart and elegant oven will match any of your modern design kitchens and brings you more extraordinary baking experience. It's time to upgrade your oven and feel the differences.